पङ्कजं भूबल सारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्.
It is a tarana that the dancers are going to present. Kathak is a classical dance form from the North India, which predominantly gained popularity during the Mughal era in our country. The next presentation is a Mohiniyattam from the state of Kerala. Performance. Bharatanatyam, a classical dance form from the temples of Tamil Nadu. Presenting Ardhanarishwara Stuti in Bharatanatyam. Our Honorable Chancellor Sir Dr. P. Shyama Raju, to felicitate our chief guest for today, Shri K.R. Ramesh Kumar Sir, Hon'ble Speaker, Karnataka Legislative Assembly. May I also kindly request our Honorable Chancellor Sir to also felicitate our guest of honor, Shri M. Krishna Reddy Sir, the Hon'ble Deputy Speaker, Karnataka Legislative Assembly.
Kuvempu Auditorium. Kuvempu ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಕವಿಗಳು, ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವರು. ಅಂಥವರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಭಾಂಗಣ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತವಾದಂಥ ಸಭಾಂಗಣ, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಇದು ಹಳೆಯದಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನು ನೂತನ ಒಂದು ಶೈಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಮಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿ ಇಂಥ ಹೆಸರು ಉಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಇಂಥ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ.
The occasion is inauguration of the auditorium. It is once again a combination of the modern architecture and the traditional values as narrated by you. Traditional values is one thing which impresses me so much. I become emotional. A tailor makes a garment, an engineer puts up a bridge, etc., etc. But a teacher is one who is not a professional. A teacher is one who is a divine representative. That element of divinity should be inborn in you. You should look at your students totally without any malice, prejudice. You should love them as your kids. They should find out as to whom they should love more, whether the parents or you. When they are affectionate, when they are attracted by your influence, your personality, then the question of process of understanding of what to say. A man who starts his life as an absolutely simple commoner, and what was his last wish and how did he die? He dies while teaching. Can there be a more endearing personality to the citizens of this country to emulate than Dr. Abdul Kalam? And the funniest part is this country has Abdul Kalams and people like us also. So don't look at us and become desperate. Be proud of your country, you have also Kalams. Nehru ಅವರನ್ನು ಓದಬೇಕು ನೀವು, academicians, particularly teaching faculty. Like Tolstoy's Resurrection is probably the best document in the world. I owe all my knowledge, my learning, my commitment to my late mother who was an illiterate. It is she who told me to talk to her, and she has been my best teacher. Thank you all.
To speak about Shri Ramesh Kumar, if I start speaking about him, really again I will become very emotional, because the day when I lost my wife, he was with me. When the cremation is going on in my farmhouse, still I remember thousands of people really witnessed that funeral, but the way he gave me the moral support, I can't forget it. As he rightly said, as a destiny, really I didn't know that I will be starting these educational institutions. Probably she might have left this world only because to start this institute in her name. So anyway, I am really very, very happy. My dream of opening this auditorium by the hands of my friend, well-wisher, Shri Ramesh Kumar.